Hi there, this is Christopher with the Honest Water Filter Company, and today we're going to go over the proper registration process for the Field Technician app, as well as some of the main functions within the app. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store, whether you're on iOS or Android, and we're going to search Honest Water Filter. Once you search that, you will find the app and you will go ahead and download it. And once it is downloaded and you open it up, you'll see this screen right here. Since you're a new user, you're going to click Register. And on this page, you're going to designate yourself as a plumbing professional or a water treatment professional. Once you click on one of those tabs, it'll bring you to the Register screen where you're going to want to fill out all these text boxes. So the full name is going to be your first and last name. Email is going to be your work email. Phone number will be your cell phone number, which is very important for the SOS feature, which we'll go over in a minute. Then you're going to want to create your password and confirm your password. And in the state drop-down box, you're going to click the arrow, scroll and find the state in which you're at. Do the same thing with city drop-down. And then company name, you click the arrow, scroll and find your company. Then you want to select the checkbox next to the terms and conditions. And then click Submit. Once you click Submit, it'll bring you to the login screen where you're just going to want to enter your login information that you just created. Once you click Login, you will see the home screen, and you can see we have a couple of buttons on here, but today we're going to go over the Submit Install button, the SOS, and the Submit RMA button. So let's click on the Submit Install button, and you'll see that your company name and your name have auto-populated, as well as the current date. You can change the current date or the date of install. If you click on it, and this calendar will pop up. So for example, if you installed the system on the 23rd, but you forgot to submit it, you can click on the 23rd, and it'll change the date right there. Now on the system installed section, you're just going to want to click the checkbox next to the system that you have installed. So a silver system, which is 2 silver cartridges, you click right there. If you submit a system that has 3 silver cartridges, for example, you're just going to want to click Extra Head, and that'll take care of that. However, if you have a silver system with 4 silver cartridges, you just want to click on the silver checkbox, go over to the drop down, click on 2, and that'll account for 2 silver systems. Another example I want to go over is the diamond system. A diamond system consists of an ultrafilter with 2 silver cartridges behind it. However, if you just installed the ultrafilter, you would select the diamond checkbox, and that would be accounted for. If you did install a full diamond system with 2 silver cartridges behind it, you would select the diamond checkbox as well as the silver checkbox, so both sets of cartridges were submitted. And the same thing applies with the extra head. So if you had a ultrafilter with 3 silver cartridges behind it, you would select the silver checkbox, the diamond checkbox, and extra head checkbox. And if you had, for example, 2 sets of silver cartridges, so 4 total cartridges behind the ultrafilter, you would select the drop-down arrow next to silver and select 2. So that way, all of the cartridges are accounted for that install. Then you're going to want to click the picture of final install, which you can either go to your camera and take a picture right there, or save the picture and then do it later by clicking on library and selecting that picture. Then you click submit and your install has been registered. The next feature that we're going to go over is the SOS feature. So when we click on the SOS button, the SOS feature, like I mentioned earlier, is very important because if you're at an install, for example, and you turn on the water and water is leaking from the system, you can simply go into your app, click the SOS button, click on water is leaking from the system, and click submit, and that'll send a message to our technical support team notifying them that you need assistance right away at an install, and they can call you with the phone number that you entered when you registered, and we can resolve that issue right then and there. However, if you do have a different issue, you can click on Other, and a text box will pop up, and you can just type in the issue that you're having, click OK, and then click Submit, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Now, if you're at an install and you click the SOS button, you submit the SOS, and we get back to you, and we come to the conclusion that we can't solve the issue right then and there, we're going to tell you to go into the Submit RMA button and submit an RMA. On the Submit RMA page, what you're going to do is click the drop-down arrow for the product, click on the product, the date is auto-populated, and in the notes section you're just going to leave a quick description of what the issue was and that you have talked with technical support and you've been authorized to submit an RMA. Then you're going to upload a quick video or picture and then click submit, and that'll notify us that your RMA has been submitted. Now, a couple other features within the app that are still under development are our videos section. So as you can see here, we have sales, products, troubleshooting, and technical videos. However, at the moment, sales, troubleshooting, and technical sections are still under development. We do have product videos available. So as you can see here, and if you click on the video, it opens up and starts playing for you right then and there.
Sticker right here that tells you it's certified for ANSI 42.
So that's pretty cool. Another feature is our products section, which just has brief descriptions of each of the products that we offer. As you can see right there. The other feature is the leaderboard, which keeps track of your install submissions and points throughout our contests to let you know where you rank within each contest. And as you can see up at the top, you can see current ranking 10. So I'm ranked currently as number 10. Obviously, I'm not actually within the contest, but just as an example. And the last feature is our Get Help feature, which if you click on that, and you see at the bottom the support email, click on that and it'll bring you to an email where you can type in any questions or issues that you found within the app and notify us right away. And that about does it for our Field Technician app. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard soon.